In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off search history on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then at the bottom right, hit where it says You. After that, tap at that gear to head over to Settings. On the settings, you can easily find Manage All History. Just tap on it. After that, you will be taken to your Google account settings, and here, first off, at the top right corner, you will see your profile picture, and then just make sure you are logged in with the account you want to disable search history for. And then we can configure saving of YouTube search history in a couple of different ways, and the first way is to set auto delete for search history. To do that, tap where it says auto delete. Currently on my device it is toggled off, however we can turn on auto delete activity older than, and then we can choose 3 month, 18 month or 36 months. Then to apply the changes, don't forget to hit add next. However, guys, if you don't want YouTube to save your search history at all, you need to get into saving your YouTube history. Just tap right here, and then you will be taken to that page, and here we can customize which exactly data needs to be saved. We can disable saving our searches on YouTube and saving our watched videos history by toggling off that subsettings, or we can disable everything by clicking at that button. If you just want YouTube to stop tracking your entire history, tap at turn off, and then YouTube will stop tracking your searches and watched video history until you turn this option back on. Now I'm gonna tap on it, then hit pause, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.